Hey guys, if like me, you completely forget about channel point predictions in your streams, I'm going to show you a really good way so people in chat can easily start a channel point prediction even if they aren't mods. Really useful and has honestly helped my engagement in my chat so much more. So let's get into it. So guys, in order to do this predictions within chat and get chat to be able to start a prediction on your streams, you need two things. Well, you only really need one thing. You only really need Mix It Up bot, which is a chat bot that I use. I'm going to do loads of tutorials on this because I love it personally. It's my favorite chat bot that I've used and discovered. The only downside is you have to install it on your PC. So I'm going to leave the link in the comments below or in the description below, one or the other, and that will show you how you go about doing it. So once you've loaded up, Mix It Up, and you've signed in onto your account, it has a little login page. You basically just go straight up to commands, and this is where Mix It Up is brilliant, and personally my favorite. So firstly, you give it a name. So we're going to give it a new prediction because we're going to create a new one. I've already got a game prediction in. We'll call it kill prediction. When I'm playing like things like Valorant or Fortnite, and we want to see how many like kills we're going to get. So we're going to call it kill. I can spell prediction. I haven't got a command group, and normally when you do a prediction, you'd have to put the exclamation mark in. It normally does it automatically. So we're going to call this kill.
Sorry, I don't know that
prediction.
word.
Alexa's talking to us now. So we're going to call it kill prediction. And then in order to go down here, you go down to actions. And these are all the millions of different actions that Mix It Up can do based on your commands that I've been using in chat. It can put chat messages, it can do another command, it can do conditional. I've not looked at conditionals. IFTTT, if that then, or whatever it's called. Loads of different things. Overlays, it can pop up little animations on your screen. Loads and loads and loads of stuff. And honestly, it's amazing. It can even change scenes on OBS. So there's loads, but we're going to go into the channel point predictions. And in order to do that, you end up going on Twitch. So you click on Twitch, and this is where you get even more things you can do. So this little pops up here, and now we just go and find the type of event we want to use. And we obviously are going to create a prediction. So we're going to call this prediction, we were doing kill predictions. So we shall put in here, how many kills will all these get? Question mark. You then can go about setting your duration. Normally on my other one that I've got that as 5 minutes. It's a bit long. We're going to give it 2 minutes. So you can run this 2 minutes before you get into a game, and it will work. Outcome. We're going to put 0. We'll put 0 to 10 and 11 plus. We might have to set different ones because obviously Valorant, you might hit that number, but Fortnite you might not so much. It all depends. So we'll leave it like that for now. This is just an example. And then that's basically all you have to do. The other thing you can do is change your users. So you can choose what level people can use it on. So if you go on to whatever you're streaming on or whatnot, obviously Twitch, and I just make it follower, just so we don't have random people in just coming and starting a channel point prediction. So I then put that as follower, and it works brilliantly. Hit save. I think that's everything we need to do. And that's now been added to the list of commands. Now, if you go into OBS, you've got to find OBS. Here's OBS. And obviously my chat is there. Let me just move my camera out of the way a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to add in, I've got a really good bot. Where's it gone? Or a really good overlay. It can display channel point predictions really well. I just got to find it. This is what I should have done earlier. Predictions. I hope it's yeah. So this displays predictions really well. And all we now have to do is go in here, and this could be any user. I can't demonstrate that because I've only got my own Twitch account. But we've set it up earlier for any user, and you'll see on the right hand side, in a minute, it will set up a new prediction. So we do kill prediction, how many kills will Wallsies get, and boom. That works really well, and honestly, I'm so happy with this. It makes chat more engaged. The channel point predictions do. It gives them something they're like backing on during the stream. So honestly, guys, if you want something to implement into your stream, I highly recommend channel point predictions and using this. So then you don't have to worry about before every game, before every anything you go in to do a prediction on. If you have a regular set of predictions, you set these commands up and they can run them yourself. Also, if people want this little widget, I'll leave the link in the description. I can't remember what it's called, but you'll find it in the description. It's really easy to set up. You're just entering your Twitch username, and it gives you a browser output source, and then you can just change some of the settings using the filters in OBS, just a color correction. Just change your hue shift and your other stuff, and it just changes how it looks. So I've now made mine orange and green, which fits in a little bit better with my overlay colors. And I think that's everything, guys. So as always, guys, if you'd like the video, come over and check me on my Twitch. Drop a like, drop a subscription, and I'm going to do more of these videos using a bit of OBS and mix it up because I find it really useful. I don't find there's loads of stuff on there about Mix It Up, and honestly, I think it's the best chatbot going, with the only downside that it's not cloud-based. But honestly, it's got so much options and functionalities that I just think you can't ignore it. Alright, guys, I'll see you later on the next one.